Welcome to Whitlock Garage. We're united by trucks. Today, Teddy gets a new home. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. No, Teddy's not being sold. We've actually been working on selling our house and buying a new one just right down the street over the last couple of weeks. So I'm sure you've seen in some of the videos maybe a for sale sign in the yard for the house or some U-Haul rental boxes in the background. We're moving down the street and this will be the last time you see a video from this garage. We're gonna show you us cleaning up, some of this mess as an homage to this garage, where Whitlock Garage all started. Give you all a little tour of this messy place. So we'll just start here. So 68 Chevy hubcaps there. That's a 69-72 gray hubcap. Pretty unusual to find them in gray. These are 69-72 full wheel covers for a C10. Love those. We got some vintage plates here. Some reserved parking sign there. This is a Pro Performance, AZ Pro Performance banner. Love that thing. Love those guys. They provided a lot of the parts on Teddy, like the Boyd welding tank, all the fuel pump stuff, etc. This is a really awesome square body print that I'm actually going to get framed. John, my truck partner, gave me this. I get a lot of questions on it, but it's from, I think they're 78. Yeah, 78. You can see it right there on the front tag. But we've got some more license plates here, some more hubcaps. Those are off a square body. One really cool thing that I actually filmed at one time and then didn't get to show again because I lost the footage, was this really, really cool Hot Wheels that Shell's Custom Works made of Teddy. So really, really cool. I'm not gonna take it out of the package, but you can see he did all the patina work, put the Detroit steels on it. Just a really, really cool gift. So thank you, Shell's Custom Works. I'll link his Instagram down in the description. Engine stand. There's where I ran a 69 C10 short bed I had into the wall at one point in time. We got some more hubcaps here. These are mostly 67 and 68, so these are 67 Chevrolet hubcaps. Those are 67, 68 GMC hubcaps that somebody painted. Those are 67, 68 C10 hubcaps. I believe that's another 67 or 68 GMC hubcap, and that's just an old rusty looking 69-72 hubcap. This hubcap here is a 69-72 GMC hubcap. It's essentially NOS. I don't think it's ever been on a truck. It's only hung on this wall. So it's got some shelf wear, but in really, really cool shape. So behind this door here, so I'm kind of letting you in behind the curtain here, and this is a closet, a storage closet that goes all the way from this end down to that end. And there's an unbelievable amount of truck parts. Got them stacked to the ceiling there. There's a little shelf there. I've got There's an original 68 327 block right in there that's hard to see. Never been bored, never been touched. Got some intake manifolds, jack stands. That's patch panels down there. I mean, there's just all sorts of stuff in here that is now extremely overwhelming. There is a whole set of wheels and tires right there. And I've got to get all this cleaned out today. So we close on our new house today. So I've got plenty, and I mean plenty, of stuff to do. So we're gonna get on to cleaning out the garage and show y'all the Trek and the new home for Teddy here in just a minute. Because as I said before, Teddy gets a new home, not a new owner. Well, here we go. Gonna make up some boxes for all these hubcaps and other miscellaneous items. All right guys, so we gotta clean off all this, and it goes all the way down to the bottom there. We're gonna get all this loaded up. We're gonna get the shelf behind you loaded up. There's some wheels and tires over here that are just annoying me. I don't know why I've kept them. I should have. Certainly demounted the tires. We've done something else with the wheels, but we're gonna get this loaded up real quick. Y'all hang tight. Well, that worked out real well. Yucca board over the ramps. Got the toolbox up. We're gonna do that with a 327 too. Maybe a couple other things. Hard to beat that little setup there. Push the ramps real close together, lay you something flat, pull something with wheels up on the trailer. Now we strap down a toolbox. So that's a 68 327 Lars Journal truck motor. Came in 67, 68s, maybe back before, but this one came out of a 1968 truck, YK code, had a turbo 400 behind it. This is gonna go in a truck that you have yet to see. When you don't even remember where you got these wheels from. What? Alright guys, so the other truck, so cell phone footage it is. Sorry if it's a little shaky, but we just left the house, our old house, and we're moving to the new house. See, there's the previous owner's old truck. There's a trailer full of stuff from us. Man, Teddy's new home. Yep, it's Whitlock Garage, but maybe it's Whitlock Carport. We got some big plans off site, so y'all just hang tight. This is Teddy's new home right here for now. We'll fill you in on the details in a minute. So we're unloading this trailer. We got these old GM, but completely redone 416 casting heads, not 461. Those are the camel hump heads, but these are heads off a 305 high output motor from the mid 80s. And they actually work really well because of the small chamber size for smaller compression motors like 283s and 327s, which, as you can see and probably recall, here's that 68 327 motor that I'm gonna put in a truck somewhere along the way. So we're still getting this stuff unloaded. It's been a long weekend. We got all sorts of stuff in those boxes. You can see Teddy hanging in the carport over there. We're getting close. There's my dad, he's helping. Okay, set that joker down easy over there next to those intakes. That's just right. Remember, we got one more.
Look at that boy. Watch your finger.
That's all right.
Let him go.
Just let it go.
Here you go. You turn it around.
Nah, just grab a hold of that rascal. Just don't drop it. And don't lay it on the other. Be easy.
Boing.
Boom. Look at that man.
What a
How's
man.
that make you feel?
What a man.
Makes you feel like a man.
Those things are heavy, boy.
They're real heavy. Cast iron heads from back in the day. We got moved in to the new house. Teddy has a new home. Yeah, it's sort of a mess in there, but we're gonna get all the stuff moved off of Teddy, out of the carport, get it cleaned up, and we're potentially gonna be looking at some garage space off-site for the future of Whitlock Garage. So we don't know exactly when that's coming, but we're really jacked about this carport. Even though it's a carport, I really like it. I think it's cool. It fits really well with the aesthetic of the house. We're gonna probably need some space, as you all can imagine. So we've got the truck farm, we've got the carport here. So we actually have some sheds out back for storage as well. So we've already got some truck parts and stuff in there. But we're gonna be looking at something off-site for the future. So y'all stay tuned. That's probably not coming until the end of the year at the earliest. We'll keep you updated as that comes around. So thanks for tuning into Whitlock Garage. Hope you enjoyed this video. Teddy definitely got a new home. Not the home you were probably thinking. We're definitely not selling Teddy. We're hanging on to him. We got plenty more work to do. So thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time on Whitlock Garage. Cue the music.